Progressive chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Players alternatively make a sequence of moves of increasing number. White makes 1 move, black makes 2 moves, white makes 3 moves, black makes 4 moves, and so on. Each sequence of moves must be completed. Failure to complete your sequence of moves is a stalemate. In Italian progressive chess, a check can only be given on the last move of a completed sequence. Checking an opponent's king before the last move of a sequence results in a loss of game. In Scottish progressive chess, check can be given on any move in the sequence, but once it is given, the sequence ends and the next player begins their turn with as many moves as they would have had the other player played their full sequence. If you are in check, you are only allowed the first move of your sequence to escape capture. If you are unable to escape check in the first move, then you lose. En passant is only allowed on the first move of a sequence. If 10 consecutive turns are played with no captures and no pawns being moved, then the game is a draw. You can also play with the English progressive chess variant, where you follow the same rules as the Scottish, with the additional rule that pieces move in democratic cycles, meaning each mobile piece must move once before it can move twice, and each mobile piece must move twice before it can move 3 times, and so on. If a blocked piece, like a rook, becomes mobile in a later cycle, it may not make up for lost moves. A just promoted piece is considered having moved. Castling counts as having moved both the king and rook.